Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I ordered something online, so I'm gonna show you what it is. So let's open it. Here it is. This is pack of 3 boxes. These are fridge storage boxes. You can store it anything like vegetables, fish, meat, whatever. So let's see. Here removable drain plate is given. I think it's pretty useful, and the quality of the plastic is also fine and also durable, and it is easy to clean. Now I'm gonna clean it properly and I will show you how I store vegetables in it. After cleaning it properly, I'll show you. Place this side down and store some veggies on it. Now I'm gonna store long beans. You can store these directly or you can cut these into pieces and then store. But make sure to remove rotten long beans while storing these. Cover the lid properly. This box prevents odor and keep your veggies dry and original because the water comes down through the drain plate. I like this product very much. It looks amazing. In the same way, in another box, I'm gonna store Malabar spinach leaves. These boxes are very good, especially to store leafy vegetables. Because of this removable drain plate, this box keeps your leafy veggies fresh and clean for further use. I found it very useful. In another box, that is in the third box, I am gonna store lemons. Lemons are rich in vitamin C, which boosts your immune health. So I use this daily. Guys, I love it. I love this product. It keeps my fridge organized and it keeps the veggies fresh and clean for further use. Undoubtedly, you can buy it. Guys, if it is helpful to you, please subscribe my channel. God bless you and your family. Thank you. Thanks for watching.